Alright, so Rebecca's gonna explain you what we're gonna be doing with her Jeep. What are we gonna be doing?
First, we're gonna remove the air dam. Is it like your transmission?
It was. The transmission wasn't bad. Of course, there was some dirt in there, but I spent freaking 4 hours cleaning to try to make it a little bit better. Because it was a little dirty. Yeah, there's
pulled out the 8 brackets. Then we're gonna remove 2 bolts from the.
You overstepped your bounds with the bracket.
What?
The screws.
Screws. 8 screws.
8 screws.
What body clips?
Alright.
This is the body clip?
Body clips.
That's the air dam. Showing the body clip route. Body clips. Air dam is already out. Now we're gonna be working on the middle bracket.
You should know it's unnecessary to do this, but it's very helpful.
Very helpful. Alright, we're gonna remove these 4 bolts. It's 8, 4 on each side, and they're 18 millimeters. That's fine. What are we doing, Rob?
We're removing the bumper brace from the frame horn, so we can pull off the bumper and the fascia and stuff all at once.
I'm gonna need help. Once I remove these, we're gonna have to hold the bumper. Alright, last step, don't forget to remove the fog light cable. It's on the passenger side of the bumper. You can just press these and unplug it. Go ahead, Rob, take it out. And there it is. Now we're gonna leave it like that. It looks pretty like that. What you think? It looks raggedy.
It does. Seal of approval.
Now we're gonna put this one on.
My stubby bumper.
1 second. Okay, depending on what you got going on, what I like to do is I like to clean the area that I can't get to anymore after we put the bumper on. If we had left all the dirt and everything in there with a new bumper sitting on top of it, that dirt's gonna act like sandpaper. So I like to clean it off to get a good connection to the frame horn.
Professional. Professional.
Alright.
Guys, the reason why this is taking so long is because we have to ask the dog to bring us the tools every time we have to take everything out. So I'm gonna show you. What?
Well, you know how they're pressed into that, the holes that they come through, they slide right in. So maybe it's because they're really cool off in the
Well, once it's got it, it's Alright guys, I'm gonna explain you how to put this bracket because it took forever to put it on and it was not in instructions very well. So here it is. These ones have to come off from the inside of the frame. You reuse that bolt, use the little bolts for this one, and it's one for each side. So they just slide in there, then the aluminum spacers go in between it, and you have to take out the bolts out of the hooks. So that was probably one of the most time consuming part. And that's it, we're ready to put the bumper on, and let's see how this will look after. Guys, we're done. It took forever. Instructions are not very clear, so hopefully this video is useful to you. We're gonna watch the Jeep and see what it looks like after. That's my companion dog. She helped a lot. Say something.
Speak. Or speak.
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 No, maybe not. Maybe another day.